Hello, dear students. I would like to welcome all on the online platform of KDCM e-learning YouTube channel. I hope that you all are safe and secure during this COVID-19 pandemic situation. I am Assistant Professor Y.K. Chaudhari from Department of Commerce, KRT Arts, PH Commerce, and AM Science, popularly known as KDCM College, Nasik. So, today we are going to deal with accounting standards in the subject Advanced Accounting for TYBCOM class. So, my dear students, in the last year and in the first year BCom, we had learned about accounting standards, introduction, meaning, importance, and need of accounting standards, and some important accounting standards. And today we are going to deal with remaining some accounting standards, that is accounting standard 3, accounting standard 7, accounting standard 15, accounting standard 17, accounting standard 19, accounting standard 25, etc. In this video we are going to take an overview of the accounting standards and financial reporting. After studying the introduction, the list of accounting standards, and the objectives of accounting standards, we will now see here the IFRS. It's mean International Financial Reporting of Standards. This is only introductory part of included in our syllabus. Not we see here in details. We only see here and study what is IFRS. It's been only we see here the introduction to IFRS. So IFRS means International Financial Reporting Standards. The abbreviation of IFRS are issued by International Accounting Standard Board, means the IFRS introduced and issued by International Accounting Standard Board, IASB. So what is IFRS? So IFRS is a set of international accounting standards stating how particular types of transaction and other events should be reported in financial statements. So IFRS are issued to develop accounting standards that would be acceptable worldwide to improve financial reporting internationally. This is the main purpose to adopted by the IFRS framework policies to every nation. Then our financial statements reporting worldwide acceptable internationally. So we see what are international financial reporting standards, that is IFRS. So IFRS means International Financial Reporting Standards, a set of common rules so that financial statements can be consistent, transparent, and comparable around the world. So IFRS are issued by the International Accounting Standards Board, IASB, International Accounting Standards Board. You learn it. You can ask the question in the MCQ type question. What is the long form of IASB? IASB means International Accounting Standards Board. They specify how companies must maintain and report their accounts, defining types of transactions and other events with financial impact. IFRS were established to create a common accounting language so that businesses and their financial statements can be consistent and reliable from company to company and country to country. After seeing the meaning of an introduction of IFRS, now we see and learn here the objectives of IFRS. So first objective, to develop in the public interest a single set of high quality, understandable, enforceable and globally accepted IFRS standards based upon clearly articulated principles to make economic decisions country to country. Now second objective, to promote the use of rigorous application of those standards in fulfilling the objectives associated with, and third one, to take account of as appropriate the special needs of small and medium sized entities and emerging economies. And the last and fourth one, to bring about convergence of national accounting standards and international accounting standards and IFRS to high quality solutions. These are the objectives of IFRS, means International Financial Reporting Statements. After studying the introduction of IFRS and objectives of IFRS, we are also study some benefits of IFRS. So, international financial reporting standards helpful to enterprises operating globally. Then helpful to investors, helpful to industry, and as well as helpful to accounting professionals. These are the benefits. We also see in details in the next video. So dear students, if we study the IFRS, then we will know that the international accounting standards in existent. So here the list of these accounting standards accepted in globally. Now these accounting standards are uh, means revised, and the new policy are coming in worldwide IFRS. But we know that this accounting standards for our study purpose. So here AS International Accounting Standard 1 is presentation of financial statements, AS2 inventories, AS7 cash flow statements, AS8 accounting policy, change in accounting estimates and errors, and so on. So this is the list you can study and learn and remember. Then S20, S21, S23, S24, S26, and then next S31. And here the list is total 41 international accounting standards. As I said earlier in the first slide, so these are the international accounting standards. So my dear friends, thank you. Thank you so much. If you have any query, you can connect with me. My official email address yashnil@ktichamcollege.ac.in. Thank you. In the next video, we will see in briefly the accounting standards including in our syllabus in details.